Alright guys, so now I'm at my PS3 and I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do to install the patch. What you want to do is scroll over to game data utility and delete the Modern Warfare 2 game data. This is my jailbroken PS3 on 355. Okay, so now what you want to do is go to install package files and install the one I have for the 1.14 patch. So this is another game data utility. I like to do this just to refresh everything every single time. So, yeah, just a little refresher. So, now what you want to do is look in your save data utility. If you don't have a save game and player profile, then you're in trouble. What you want to do is at least open up your MW2 disk and already save that just how it is. So, before you ever put in the patch, just make sure you have the save game and player profile, because if you don't have it and you're going to data transfer on the other PS3, it's going to ask to make a new one, and in the new one it's going to be completely refreshed and there's going to be a new patch in it, which is going to be the regular game. So you want to have this right here already, save game and player profile. Just want to have that. So now for the patch itself, we want to go into ComGenius as some file manager. My preferred app to use over Blackbox or any other. So now go ahead and scroll down to dev_USB. The numbers after it vary, so it doesn't matter. So right here is patch_mp.ff. That's the file, the patch. And I want to go on this side using the right arrow on the D-pad and scroll down to dev_hddo and scroll down to game in lower caps. Lower caps, make sure it's in lower caps. Then scroll down to BLUS-30377 and go down to usrdir, user directory. Delete the patch that's already here. This is the same patch that I already have, and I'm still going to delete it for tutorial purposes. So you just do square, then start to delete and start the deleting. And then to copy the patch, you just do circle while hovering over it. You have to be always hovering over the things that you want to do. So yeah, circle, then start to copy and start the copying. And now it's here. It should be 236 kilobytes in total. Okay, that's about it. And then just to make sure, I'm going to exit this and exit this, and I'm going to check the HDDO hard drive user directory, and it's still here, 236 kilobytes, excuse me. Now you have to quit the game, or quit ComGenius. Alright, let that load. Okay. So now, just simply go back up to the top where it says game data utility. Just make sure it's still there. So 1.14 good, and make sure that your save data utility is still there. Save game and player profile. Now what you want to do is data transfer, which is in system settings down at the bottom. Not all the way, but it's about right here. Data transfer utility, and just figure out how to do that yourself or watch the tutorial. I'm not going to really explain that right now. So anyway, I'll meet you at my other PS3. Okay, so now I'm back at my other PS3 that's not jailbroken. This is where I data transferred to. And so let's view if we have everything transferred correctly. So as you can see here, there is this game data utility that I put on. There's save data utility. So if you look right here, saved game and player profile, that means everything's okay. I already installed a couple other things as before I started this up, so that's why there are other things here for my USB. But otherwise, let's start this up. If it does not ask for any margined changes or anything like that, that's good. That means that the save game and player profile really worked. Okay, so that's a good sign. That means it should be working properly. Okay, so now it is working properly. This is perfect. As you can see, the background is completely different. It is blue checkers, so that means this is going to work completely fine. And if I go into Private Match, I'll show you how to use the menu. To start out, there are already default infections installed in the Choose Map slot. UAV in 70, Aim Assist, Mod Menu, or CFG, Jump in UAV, 9th Prestige, Spam, and Challenge Lobby Infect. I don't think that works, but it's okay. So let's change it to Rust because I feel most comfortable with that map. And let's start up the game. I'll show you how it works.
Free for all.
Let's just really quickly turn in joining so that nobody else can join.
Show no mercy.
Just in case. So anyway, this is to show you how to use the menu. Let's go and open up infections. Here's the prestige infections. It goes 0 through 11. It truly works. All you have to do is click on any infection you want, and when you exit the game, the map, the place where it says the map, it'll be checkered and it'll have this code, as you might know. The unlocks that work are pistol, sniper, and perks. You can't unlock all. These are the trick shotting typical unlocks. So, for full lobby. Most of these are already defaults in the choose map slot. So UAV, jump in UAV, speed in UAV, gravity in UAV, time scale in UAV, fun pack, which I don't know if that works. Cheater pack, I don't know if that works. Spam, UAV. So yeah, that's right. Special, aim assist, taste the rainbow. I don't know what that is. Here, D rank. I haven't really actually tried that. I kind of want to try D rank. So anyway, that's kind of it. And so aim assist is already in there. Menus is just change the menus kind of for CFG. Says, these are basically what goes on the left side of the screen, which really annoys people. Let's just say I want to say hi. As you can see, it says hello on the left side of the screen and things like that. There are some funny ones. Troll, I don't know. Ginger, I don't know. Just go ahead and, use that. There are a bunch of talk, spam is really useful, actually, for other people. I mean, it's pretty bad against you as well, but this is a good one. Buttons. This kind of messes people up and really makes them mad. It goes away after a few seconds for sure. So, customize, you change the colors of the menu, sorry. So, go into DVARs. These are your own, basically, mods for yourself. Just in case the time runs out, I'm just going to turn off the time limit. So, let's go to DVARs back. UAV. So, UAV on, aim assist on. I'm going to turn these off, though, because it'll overflow if I put too many of these on. Wall hack, I think you know what that is. I'm not sure if this works. Oh, yeah, it does work. It does work. It definitely works. So, I'm going to turn that off. Whatever. So radar sizes just goes like this. Laser. See the laser on my gun. Anyway. Okay. How about Pro mod? It's not very useful. Just makes it look like this. Just makes it look more realistic. So basically the popular one, another popular one was Far Knife. So basically you have to like aim over somebody, and once you knife them, it can even get them across the map. So yeah. Let's see. I don't know. I think this is pretty much it. Maybe somebody likes third person. I don't know. I use that to see if I'm under the map in Favela, for example, to see if I'm invisible or not. I don't really want to go over and explain that. It's not very important, but, So those are pretty much the useful ones. Oh yeah, also, I forgot to say chat free. Right here. if you click this, you can talk to the other team on S&D and domination. So it's pretty useful. You could really use that. Mods, you can do jump, you know, something like that. And then let's say unlimited. This turns the time limit off. You know, basically you could just have fun with this. Settings, you can change the map. Game types, there are, you know, you can actually toggle, you can restart the game. You can put the game ranked. So if you're online, you do an XP lobby, you can make it ranked. You can do trick shot lobby, which is, you have to test that out. God mode match, everybody has God mode and stuff, okay? So that's pretty much it. Just really, you have to really look at this deeply, and you'll see what it's like. So anyway, as you can see, this is basically the main point. So I hope this is helpful. Alright, so yeah. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, please like and sub. If you have any suggestions for how I make my videos, please tell me. If you like something in particular, please tell me. Otherwise, thanks for watching.